Welcome to part 2 of natural log and integration. Now we're going to take a look at some trig ones here. You have to memorize these. You got to know these ones. But 2 of them are pretty easy to derive. Let's take a look at the tangent of x. If I want to take the antiderivative tangent of x, I could easily write this as the sine of x over cosine of x dx. Now, if I use u substitution, I recognize that cosine's derivative is sine. So I'm going to let u equal the cosine of x, giving me a derivative of negative sine of x dx. Give me dx becomes du over negative sine of x. And I can replace that. This becomes sine of x over u. We're all over sin. Or under sin. I don't know. It's a terrible joke. Scratch that one. Du over negative sine of x. Cancel, cancel. And what we're left with is the negative 1 over u du. And we know that this becomes negative the natural log, because 1 over u is natural log of u, which we know is cosine of x plus c1. And there's our proof for tangent. You can do the same thing for cotangent. Secant and cosecant are a little bit tougher to do, but they're possible. But I'll give you kind of a way that how I remember them. The tangent, to memorize tangent, I remember how it came from. Tangent is sine over cosine. I let u be my cosine, which means on bottom. So there's my cosine. I also know it's natural log because we're going to cancel 1 over u. So that's how it's natural log. Same thing with cotangent. Well, what's on the bottom of cotangent? Sine. Now, secant and cosecant are a little bit trickier. I remember the derivatives. Secant's derivative is secant tangent. So its antiderivative, is secant plus tangent. And with the natural log. Why the natural log? Remember, secant is 1 over cosine. There's your u. So it's going to be a natural log. Same thing with cosecant. It's negative cosecant, cotangent. Its antiderivative will be negative natural log of that. A lot of ways to remember it. Just make sure you know these, okay? So how we apply this? Very simple. If I let u equal 3x here, my du equals 3 dx. dx equals du over 3. And we can rewrite this as the following. Tan u, great university by the way, du over 3, and I get 1/3 the tangent of u du. And then this becomes just 1/3 its antiderivative, negative natural log of the cosine of u plus c1. And I can just rewrite this negative 1/3 the natural log of the cosine of 3x plus c1. And there's your antiderivative. And you can do all sorts of stuff like this, okay? So try these, have fun with them. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or contact me in any way you can, okay? Thank you guys. Good luck and bye-bye.